Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You want speed, so start now. Plug a 20W or higher USB-C PD wall adapter into a live outlet and connect an Apple or certified USB-C to Lightning cable to your iPhone. Remove any thick case and set the phone on a cool, flat surface so heat doesn't slow charging. Once connected, enable airplane mode or low power mode to reduce background activity and radios. This lowers power draw and lets the battery accept current faster. Make sure the connector seats firmly and shows the charging icon. Once charging has started, focus on minimizing energy use so more current goes into the battery. Turn the screen fully off, lower brightness if you must view it, and avoid running apps or video. Short, intense use draws power and slows charging. Disable background app refresh, GPS, and Bluetooth temporarily, and prefer a direct wall outlet rather than a laptop USB port which supplies less current. Also confirm the adapter and cable are intact and certified. A damaged cable can limit the delivered wattage and produce heat. You'll see the fastest gains up to roughly 80%. After that, the phone reduces charging speed to preserve battery health, so expect tapering. Once nearly full, disconnect and resume normal use. If your iPhone isn't charging quickly or at all, first try a different 20W plus PD adapter and a known good USB-C to Lightning cable and swap outlets. Restart the phone and check the Lightning port for lint or corrosion. If problems continue, a stubborn hardware issue or faulty adapter may require service.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.